I'm Deb Ellis. I am a master gardener that specializes in native plants, and I'm also one of the co-leaders of the Essex County chapter of the Native Plant Society of New Jersey. I want to just talk briefly about why it's important to have plants that nurture the birds and the butterflies. So in my garden, it's very small, but I have lots of different plants. I grow bushes that produce berries for the birds. So this is a bush called Serviceberry. It's also called Shad Bush because it blooms when the shad are running. And you can see it's almost about to bloom, and it will have berries in June for the birds. Then I have some other bushes over here. I have viburnums. These are viburnums, and they will produce berries for the birds. And I also back there have an inkberry, which is evergreen, and as its name says, it also produces berries for the birds. So that is 3 different bushes. I have one more over here called Snowberry, and it's called Snowberry because it has white berries, and that also produces berries that the birds eat. And what's the advantage of this? Then I don't have to have bird feeders, and I have birds all the time. The other really important way to feed the birds is to leave the leaves. So I have leaves in my garden that I just leave from the trees. That way I don't have to buy mulch, I don't have to buy fertilizer, and I get to watch the cardinals pecking around looking for insects and other birds also. The other important thing for nurturing habitat, everyone likes butterflies, but it's really important to have the host plants that the caterpillars need. So here I have golden Alexander. It's just beginning to bloom. There's some over there. This is the host plant for the New Jersey state butterfly, the great swallowtail. So that's really important to grow. And here are violets, which is the host plant for the great fritillary. And again, this is where the butterflies lay their eggs, and then the caterpillars need to eat them. So sometimes people don't like to plant things that will get holes in them. But when I have holes in my plants, I know they're providing food for the caterpillars. And caterpillars are actually baby food for all the birds. That's what the birds feed their babies. So if I have holes in my plants, I'm providing food for caterpillars, which will either become butterflies or become little birds. Thank you.